Winch lines made with a fiber core are constructed for their flexibility and resistance to fatigue over time. This SIPS 360 features the AW Direct Elite Series fiber core winch cable. With a high strength to weight ratio, you can count on it to last. When pressure is exerted on the working winch line, there's a lubricant reservoir that gives off lubricant to minimize the wearing effects of wire on wire, assuring a longer service life. All AW Direct winch lines come with an alloy self-locking swivel hook that will not open when under load, providing the operator with a secure and safe connection. Additionally, this swivel hook will rotate as it's reeled into the drum so that it will wrap and lay better. AW Direct offers a 3/8 inch diameter and your choice from lengths of 50, 55, 75, and 100 feet, which is the most common diameter and lengths that are used on winches of 10,000 pounds or less. Have confidence as you perform daily tasks, knowing this fiber core winch line has a minimum braking strength of 13,400 pounds and a working load limit of 3,780 pounds. Shop for the AW Direct Elite Series fiber core winch cable under the winch lines and hardware category on sips.com.